on some bomb crochet hair. If you click on this video, you already know what it's about. I'm going to be showing you guys a beautiful Distressed Butterfly Loc. So it is 8 packages, okay? So we got plenty of hair to do a whole head. The one that I'm rocking today is the 16-inch Distressed Butterfly Loc. And I am going to open up a pack and show you guys what this is looking like. So just straight out the pack, this is what that hair is looking like. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So freaking pretty. I can off the bat tell how soft this hair is. The quality of the hair is really good. The hair is very lightweight, which we like. We're not gonna tear up our edges. So that's what it's looking like. I got it in the color 1B, and of course it is the 16-inch. Beautiful. Oh, and PS, make sure you guys are checking the description box. I'm gonna put the link on where to purchase this hair in the description box so you can check it out for yourself. I also put all the tea in the description box as well. So any questions that you probably have, what I'm using on my hair or whatever, I probably already posted it on the link. So first things first, I'm going to check the looping on this hair. Y'all know we have to check these loops because the loop is what determines how long it's going to take me to install this, right? We want quick bomb looks, not looks that are going to take us forever and a day to do. So let's get all close and personal and check that looping. Y'all see that? Do not pay attention to my busted nails, but yeah, that looping is bomb. That means that we have just enough space to get this hair through the loop and make this crochet process easy. So as you can see, I did the rubber band method on my hair, and then I braided my hair all the way to the back. And I have about 8 braids in the back. Just a little tip, I did use the rubber band method to create my illusion parting in the front. Sometimes I switch between that and the braiding method. The rubber band method I actually kind of like. I feel like it lasts a little bit longer in my opinion. Also, just a quick tip when doing that rubber band method, please put some oil on the rubber bands. It will definitely protect your hair. So if you don't want your hair coming out around your edges, make sure you oil and grease up the rubber bands before you put them on in your head. Just a little tip. I know you've probably seen that other places, but I'm just reiterating that we're trying to save edges. That's what we're trying to do. So let's go ahead and install these bad boys, and then I will come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Toyotress. You guys. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this review. First of all, Toyotress, you've outdone yourself with this. There's several things that I love about this hair, and first of all, it's the length. The length is 16 inches. I didn't think that I was gonna like the 16-inch hair, but honey, it is definitely giving me so much life. I love where it's falling on me. It's right above my chest area, and I just absolutely love how this looks. Like, guys, this illusion braiding and everything is just giving me so much life. I even love the way I braided my hair this time. I feel like I did a great job. I also think the hair is very, very lightweight. For it to be a dread, it's not pulling and tugging at your edges. As always, when installing dreads, give your hair a little give under your braids and under your rubber bands so that you're not pulling your hair too tight once you crochet the dread in. Just give it a little slack. You don't want it to be super like tight into your scalp, because when you do install those dreads, you are gonna pull because of the looping is a little bigger, and the dread is actually bigger than any crochet hair that you would be installing. So be aware of that. Give yourself a little give so that you don't have a painful time sleeping at night. Because I am feeling myself like, oh girl, this is so cute. Anyway, I will link this product down below for you guys to check out. Also, Toyotress was generous enough to give you guys a 15% discount, so if you want to check it out for yourself, use your girl's promo code down below and save you some coins. I'm obsessed with this. This is a perfect look for the summertime, perfect look for a festival. Speaking of festival, today is Juneteenth. I'm pre-filming this, so as you can see, I added some green and gold and red beads on my head. I'm feeling very, very festive. Happy Juneteenth to everybody that's out there. I am actually about to go find me a festival to go to. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my video, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye.